What you doing? What you doing? Are you driving? Emerson, are you driving?
Sitting on Dad's lap.
What are you driving?
Oh, do I need to put money in?
Well, you drive it good and then you don't have to. Go ahead and drive.
Look, there they go. You're driving.
You're in the snow?
No, you're in the street.
Show us how you drive. What noise does it make? Oh, are you turning? Wow. Do you shift too?
One, two. Put it in third. Over here. Put it up in third. Up and over. Good. 1, 2, 3, 4. Go!
Jason Bay on deck. Red Sox batting in the bottom of the first inning. The Sox trailing the Rays by 2.5 games heading into tonight's action. It's raining in New York tonight, where the Rays, who are scheduled to make their appearance, this is in the air to left field. And Wilkerson onto the warning track to make the catch.
Taking trees out.
Things here in the first with Denwick 1, no score from Rainey.
Where's Mom?
So we got one inning in the books in Boston. Rain delay currently at the stadium between the Yankees and the Rays.
Video.
After this, we'll go back to Fenway for the top of the second between the Blue Jays and Red Sox.
You want to go next door and look at the bikes?
I think they're closed.
But it's my job to shrink it.
Emerson, you want to go look at the bikes?
Let's go look.